Hello and welcome to this instructional video about how we can use code in order to implement various tabs within a single page. I'm your instructional designer, Edwin Linares, and it is my pleasure to serve you. We're going to go ahead and start off with creating a new page that we are going to be adding into our demo module. So we're going to start by adding a new page. Create page, and for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to be calling it demo 1. Once I've added my page, I'll go ahead and click into it. And as you can see, this is what we start off with. Blank slate, so much opportunity. Now, we're going to go ahead and click edit. Once we click edit, we will arrive to this page. In this page, we're going to go ahead and click on this button here. This is going to be our HTML editor. Now, if you notice, there's a number 1 on the far left side. So at this point, this is where you will be embedding the code. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my code and paste it into here. Notice once I paste it, now I have more than just one single line here. Now, once I have this, before I even try and click save, I want to proof check that it is indeed working. So I'm going to go ahead and click the same button I did earlier to reach this page, and then it is in fact working. Okay. Now, if you notice, this particular code has up to 5 tabs, each one correlated with its own corresponding color. If you also notice underneath, there are some sections. Start of tab 1, start of tab 2, 3, 4, and 5. The reason why you will find these 2 captions here is because they are indicators of where exactly this section begins. You do not need to put anything here or here. All the information that is concerning to your content will go right in between. So think of it as this is your starting marker and this is your ending marker. Everything that you need to put inside of the tab itself will go in the middle. So for example, this is an example. All of my content goes in here. Now that I have everything in here, all I would have to do is scroll down, click save. Boom. Now, what I want to do here is just make sure to click through. You see? This is where I will find the content that I just put within that one section. Now, that's as far as where you will be able to put your content. Let's talk about these tabs up here. Notice these are all interactive. As you click through, the tabs and the page will change. So let's go back into editing. And so say you're using tabs in order to provide students multiple options on case studies, whether you want to choose the first case study or the second option of the case study or the third option of case study. You can go up to 5 in this case. So let's say I want to rename this particular tab title. Now here's the thing. This is where it can get a little tricky. You want to erase everything but that first letter. And the reason why is because we still have the link that is attached to that particular page for the tab. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you in a little bit. So this is gonna be option 1. After I wrote out my title, I can go ahead and close off that first letter. Same thing we're gonna do for the second tab, option 2. Go ahead and remove that first letter. Option 3, remove the first letter. Option 4, First letter. See, and that's fine. Even if you mess up, that's fine, as long as you don't erase that first letter. Option 5. Boom. All right. Now, with that being said, we go back, hit save, and notice all my tabs have now been renamed. And also notice that they've gotten shorter. So these tabs will expand to the size of like how long the titles are. So in this case, this looks beautiful. Now you click through, notice that each page will have different content. So as you go through it, tabs page will change. So hope this helps. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.